Ryan here from Mobile Marine in Huntsville, Ontario, and this is the 1625 Fury XL side console from Lund. As you can see, it has a spacious cockpit to give the room for you and your fishing buddies to move around without being on top of each other. This boat is powered by Mercury's 60 horsepower 4-stroke outboard, which will give you lots of power to move on the water, but also be able to troll down nicely. We optioned this boat with the rear flip-up bench seat, which gives you storage underneath along with a 12-gallon fuel tank. The Fury XL has in-floor lockable rod storage to fit up to 8-foot rods and a 37-inch, 16-gallon aerated livewell under the large casting platform. Also under the casting platform is lots of storage for your gear and battery compartment for your trolling battery. Some of the upgrades include stereo with 2 speakers, auto bilge, tilt steering, driver's seat slider, ladder, travel cover, and galvanized trailer with load guides. For information on this boat or to book your private virtual tour, email me at ryan@mobilemarine.com or check out our full inventory online at mobilemarine.com.